gonna be okay. Just tip your head back a little bit. I don't think it's broken, so... Wait a minute, hang on to that, hang on to that. Okay, I told you not to stir things up. Look what that asshole did to her.
This was Caruso?
Who do you think?
Little prick.
You guys must have really put the fear of God into him. Tell him what Georgie said.
He told me to tell Luann that if the little biker boys show up again, he's gonna roll the cameras while he jams his dick up all your asses.
We'll see Gemma later.
Jax, don't you do anything!
Who the hell you think you're talking to? Get her patched up.
Okay.
Call the rest of your talent. Tell them to lock their goddamn doors.
Sorry.
Should I call Clay? He's on the guns. Call the others. It's baseball time.
Great.
God, you're so stiff. You know, you won't score in the second half.
Georgie!
Georgie!
Hey! Get the hell out! This is a close set!
Come here, you!
Come on! Get back! Don't even think about moving.
Okay?
After I saw what they did to Lila, I
It's okay.
Zach! Zach! Yeah!
Get her out of here.
Okay, come on. Hey! Oh, shit!
I can see you too, sugar tits. Anybody else?
You so much as send a friendly text to any of Luann's girls. Your next movie, Canseco does Georgie. You understand
I
me?
get it.